everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Vratika. Welcome back. I am so excited for today's video because in this video I'm going to recreate a makeup look inspired by Jaclyn Hill, and this is the look which I'll be recreating in this video. Although I love all the videos and all the looks that she creates on her channel, but as soon as I saw this look, I was like, I need to recreate this look. So this is the agenda of today's video. For those who don't know who is Jaclyn Hill, I am here to tell you guys. So Jaclyn Hill is an American makeup artist. She runs a YouTube channel named as Jaclyn Hill, where she creates amazing makeup content. Her channel became popular of its celebrity makeup tutorials, and now she is a brand of makeup industry. She also launched her makeup brand name as Jaclyn Cosmetics, and her brand contains a variety of different makeup collection, and I love all the collection. Although I haven't used them, but I love the collection. Before starting with this video, I would like to say that I'm not using the exact same product that she used to create this makeup look. I feel like makeup is super subjective and it looks different on each other. So even if you use the same products or use the same technique, makeup looks different on different people. So I am using whatever product I have today, and I will be recreating the look with my products. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also give a thumbs up to this video because this means a lot to me. So that was the intro of this video. I hope I've covered every topic that I need to address before going into this video. Now let's jump into the video. Okay, so I've come closer so that you can see what I'm doing on my face. So first I'm going to moisturize my face using Pond's Light Moisturizing Cream. To fill in my pores, I am using Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. We are done with moisturizing and priming. Let's jump into the base product. And for foundation, I am using Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. For concealer, I am using Milani Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade Pure Beige. Then again with the beauty blender, she has blended all the things together. Then she set her under eyes with loose finishing powder, and I'm also going to set my under eyes. And for powder, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. She used the same beauty blender to set her eyes with the powder. So I'm exactly copying the same technique. And then slightly she set all of her face. I'm also going to dust off the powder under my eyes. Then she did contouring to give a dimension to her face, and I'm also using a contouring palette to give a dimension to my face. And for contouring, I'm using Wet n Wild contouring palette. She did a very subtle contouring, so I will also do a very minimal subtle contouring look just to give some dimension to my face. I'm also going to contour my nose. So contouring is done, and now we can definitely see some warmth on our face. Some dimensions has come up with the contouring. And now what she has done next is she has used a powder to give a sharp contour look over this place and over this place. So I'm going to mimic exactly that. So she has placed the powder like this, and also on this area. The brows are done. Let's remove the excess powder now. Then she used a rosy pink blush, and I'm also using a rosy pink blush from Maybelline. I don't know if the camera is catching the color, but my cheeks are glowing. So the base makeup is done and I'm really liking the way it is looking. So Jaclyn wore a subtle brown color on her eyes, so that's what I'm going to go for. For that I'm using Nykaa Just Wink It eyeshadow palette, and the shade I'm using is Caramel Crunch. It has got a nice nude and brown colors to it, and she has only used one eyeshadow color on her lid, so I'm also going to use only one eyeshadow color, and for that I'm using this brown color. So my camera just stopped recording, I don't know when. So I was just applying the eyeshadow color and blending it all. So as I was saying, Jaclyn wore only one eyeshadow color on her entire eyelid. So I'm also doing the same. I'm blending this brown eyeshadow color really well so that it looks cohesive. Then she used a dark eyeshadow color on her upper lash line. I'm going to use this on my upper lash line. Also going to use the same color under my eyes. For the lips, she has used a berry color lipstick, so I'm also using a berry color lipstick from Nykaa. For highlighter, I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome Face Studio Highlighter. So this is all I had for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this makeup recreation look. If you like this video, then please like to this video and also subscribe to my channel. I see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.